guys, it's AB and G. Today we're making boo bags. Okay guys, me and Grace have been doing the boo game ever since we were little kids. And it's really fun to do. So if everybody joins in this game when we boo you, then it would be so much more fun.
So what the rules are for this game, so you get a bag and fill it with treats, and the bag should probably say you've been booed. So you fill it with treats and toys like party poppers or Skittles. You drop it off at someone's door, you knock, and skedaddle!
And then you have this card. And you put this on your door to make sure nobody boos you, because you've already been booed.
And
you have to make sure you do that, or else you might get booed a couple 100 times.
And you can make...
maybe he wants a boo bag.
Yeah. You can copy more of these, so you can boo other people.
That's right. Time to make the bags. Well, we like to put in our boo bags, which you don't need to do. You can put in homemade cookies or surprise cupcakes or whatever you want. But what we like to put in is like chips and chocolate bars, which was all bought from the dollar store, so it's fairly cheap. So everybody can do this.
Everybody. We got pretzels,
I'm going to start packing my bag.
and pretty colorful things.
I'm going to do 2 really cool pretzels.
Pretzels?
No, pencils. I'm getting mixed up with pretzels and pencils. You should try doing a tongue twister using these.
Pretzels. I don't know how to do it.
Even cats joining in the fun.
Oh.
Since we got Storm, he's been jumping up on the table like he wants boo bags.
Comment down below if you guys or we should make more videos of us booing people. And you should really start to boo people too. Because booing is a lot of fun. And you get into running and jumping and running away and having fun.
Yes. The fun of it is when you knock on the door and you try to run. Like
so
last year, me and Gracie got caught.
So we also got some Skittles, a vegan treat.
But not for all vegans.
Yeah, some people can't have these.
And some grab and go Sudoku. Comment down below if you like Sudoku or word hunt. I like word hunts better.
And we also have toppers to containers. So if you put like cupcakes, surprise cupcakes, or anything in containers, you can cut out one of these and put them on the top.
Very ready to deliver.
Ready to deliver with you and me.
Gracie's like, I'm just going to take some chocolate and pour it in my bag. She just took all the chocolate.
There's only 4 left, and they were all the same.
Okay, guys. We filled our bags. Now it's time to actually go boo some people. Let's go see out the window to see if it's dark enough to go start. Okay, guys. It's still too bright, so we'll see you later when it's dark enough.
We're outside right now, and we have our boo bag. And
let's go boo. First is right across the road, our friend Nathan and Dylan.
Black Ninja Egg.
What about your light? The light's too bright, guys. Lots of light. In the car, let's go to our next person. Now, we got caught that time.
So that is going to be Ashley. Now it's time to boo Ashley.
Let's go, dude. Oh, she's right at the window.
Can you please unlock it?
It's right at the window.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Ninja Egg. Now it's time to boo my last friend.
Let's go. Abby, are you coming?
Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, black.
Okay, guys, I'm here, and it's my turn to go prank my last friend. I'm going.
Don't forget your bag.
I'm going.
I hope you guys liked booing people with us. I hope you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you want more booing videos. Goodbye!